Managing a budget while traveling can be challenging, but with a little planning and preparation, it's definitely possible. Here are a few tips to help you manage your budget while traveling. Plan ahead, research prices for flights, hotels, and activities in advance so you have a better idea of how much you'll need to budget for each aspect of your trip. Look for deals and discounts. Look for deals and discounts on flights, hotels, and activities to help you save money. Prioritize your spending. Decide what's most important to you and allocate your budget accordingly. For example, if you're more interested in experiencing the local culture than staying in a fancy hotel, you might choose to allocate more of your budget to activities and less to accommodation. Be flexible. Be open to changing your plans if you find a better deal or an opportunity to save money. Avoid peak travel seasons. Traveling during the off-season can often lead to cheaper flights and accommodations. Use public transportation. Using public transportation is often cheaper than taking taxis or renting a car. Eat like a local. Eating at local restaurants is often cheaper than eating at tourist spots. Find free activities. Many cities and towns offer free or low-cost activities, such as hiking trails, parks, and festivals. Save on accommodation. Consider options like hostels, camping, or couch surfing to save on accommodation cost. Be mindful of currency conversion. Be aware of the exchange rate and try to pay in the local currency whenever possible. Act smart. Be mindful of what you're packing and only bring the essentials to avoid excess baggage fees. Use a travel rewards credit card. Many credit cards offer rewards for travel-related expenses, such as flights and hotels. Book through discount travel sites. There are many online travel sites that offer discounted prices on flights, hotels, and vacation packages. Use a budgeting app. There are many budgeting apps that can help you track your expenses and stay on budget while traveling. Avoid tourist traps. Some tourist hotspots are overpriced and not worth the cost. Research alternative, local hotspots instead. Travel with a group. Traveling in a group can often lead to discounts on flights, hotels, and activities. Be mindful of ATM fees. Be aware of the fees associated with using ATMs, and try to withdraw larger amounts to minimize the number of transactions. Use a travel rewards program. Many airlines, hotels, and rental car companies offer rewards programs that can help you save money on future trips. Purchase travel insurance. While it may add an additional cost to your trip, travel insurance can save you money in the long run if something goes wrong. Be aware of the local laws and customs. Some places may have different laws and customs, and it's important to be aware of them to avoid any unnecessary fines or penalties. Plan your meals. Eating out can be one of the biggest expenses while traveling. Plan your meals. Look for deals and discounts on restaurants, and consider cooking some of your own meals. Use discount vouchers. Many cities offer discount vouchers for attractions and activities. They can be purchased in advance or obtained from the local tourist information center. Shop local. Shopping local can save you money and give you a better insight into local culture. Use the sharing economy. Services like Airbnb and Uber can save you money on accommodation and transportation. Use technology to your advantage. Use apps and websites to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and activities, and also to navigate around the city. Bring your own water bottle. Buying bottled water can be expensive, especially when traveling in places where the tap water is not safe to drink. Bring your own water bottle and refill it when you can. Be mindful of the time of day. Some activities and services are cheaper at certain times of the day. For example, taking a bus or train during off-peak hours can be cheaper than taking one during peak hours. Take advantage of free Wi-Fi. Many cafes and hotels offer free Wi-Fi. Use it to research local deals and discounts, book reservations, and make contactless payments. Consider alternative accommodation. Instead of staying in a hotel, consider alternative options like vacation rentals, camping, or even house sitting. Be prepared for emergencies. It's always a good idea to have some extra cash set aside for emergencies. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comments, and subscribe for more videos.